Congratulations on purchasing your new Daytona Griddle, and welcome to the Nexgrill family. Before we begin the assembly process, please refer to your instruction manual to make sure all of the grill's parts are included. Note that you'll also need a Phillips head screwdriver and an adjustable wrench to complete the assembly, which is not included with the grill. If you have any questions or concerns during the assembly, simply call the customer service line on your screen. Now let's dig in. 1. We'll begin by attaching the casters onto the bottom of your grill's 4 cart legs. Simply screw them into the holes located on the bottom of each leg, like so. 2. Next, using a screwdriver, attach your grill's 2 left cart legs to the firebox assembly using 3 A-screws apiece. 3. Now find your grill's bottom panel and use 2 B-screws to mount it to the left cart legs. 4, 5, 7. Once secure, repeat the process by attaching the other set of cart legs to the bottom of the floor box assembly, then attaching the other side of the bottom panel to your grill's right cart legs. 6. Once all legs are mounted and the bottom panel is secure, attach the front cart frame to the 2 front legs using 4 A-screws, 2 into each leg. 8. Next, use 2 A-screws to attach the bottom left cart frame to the base of your grill's left cart legs. 9. After that, find your grill's tank support bracket and mount it on the bottom left cart frame you just attached using 1 A-screw. 10. Then find and angle the tank wire onto the holes located just above the bottom panel on each of your grill's left cart legs, like so. 11. Next, attach the regulator hose bracket to the inside of your grill's cart left side panel. 12. Now we'll assemble and install your grill's fast vac grease management system. First, attach the 2 grease cup brackets to the underside of the firebox assembly using 2 B-screws apiece. 13. Once the brackets are secure, slide the grease funnels down into the holes located on the floor of your grill's firebox, just above where you installed the grease box brackets. Once in place, secure each grease funnel to the lip of the firebox using 2 B-screws apiece. 14. Next, find the paper towel rack and angle it onto the back side of your grill's front cart frame, like so. 15. Then install the heat shield to the bottom of the firebox assembly using 2 B-screws. 16. After that, set your grill's included liners into the respective grease cups. 17. Then slide each grease cup into a grease cup bracket from the front of your grill. 18. Next, we'll mount your grill's side shelves. Starting with the left side shelf, loosen the 2 pre-assembled screws located at each corner of the firebox assembly, then slide the left side shelf into place over the loosened pre-assembled screws. Once in place, re-tighten the pre-assembled screws and secure the side shelf in place using 1 A-screw. 19. Before mounting the right side shelf, locate your side shelf handle and remove the pre-assembled screw located at each end. 20. Then align the handle over the holes located at the front of the right side shelf and reinstall the screws from the other side of the shelf to secure the handle in place. 21. Then, just like before, loosen the 2 pre-assembled screws located at each corner of the firebox assembly, slide the side shelf into place, re-tighten the pre-assembled screws, and secure using 1 A-screw. 22. Next, find your grill's included caddy box and set it into place on the right side shelf, like so. 23. Now it's time to assemble your grill's lid. First, find the lid handle and remove the screws located at each end. 24. Then align the main lid handle and lid handle seats with the holes located on the front of the lid, and reinstall the screws from behind the lid to secure the handle in place. 25. Next, grab a buddy to help you gently lower your grill's lid and griddle down onto the top of the firebox, guiding the griddle's top-bottom brackets onto their slots to secure in place. No screws are necessary for this step. 26. We're almost done. Next, insert the included AA battery, negative end first, into the pulse igniter module located on the left side of the grill's control panel. 27. And finally, set your liquid propane tank onto the previously installed tank support bracket. Swing the tank wire over the lip of your tank. 28. And firmly connect the LP regulator to your tank. Your Daytona griddle is now assembled and ready for use. Happy grilling!